So the premise behind EndZone Bar and Grill is we are going to be Buffalo Wild Wings sprinkled with some Hooters with all the time Chick-fil-A level customer service. And none of those three major franchises are currently located in Smyrna, so we gonna supply that demand right here, all in one. EndZone Bar and Grill, bro. The only place you're gonna want to be is in the zone. We're gonna be providing quality sports bar entertainment. This is gonna be the place to come, man. That's it. I just want to shout out all of the businesses that have been a part of this, especially minority-owned businesses. We do have MixStar Audio in the building, taking care of all of our AV work, which was essential for a sports bar because we need all these TVs, these projectors, and everything else to work. So I had to go holler at my peoples at MixStar to get the job done, man.